Welcome, here I've got OPPO A53 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right with settings so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's just simply slide a little bit down and focus on the photo settings. Here we have the watermark option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we can add the phone model watermark, also the date and time watermark and the location. So by using these buttons we can easily turn them on and off as we need. We can add just one of this, we can add 2 or 3 at the same time, and with the phone model we have connected the custom one, so when we tap on it we can add our own, for example hard reset and OK. But remember that these 2 watermarks are connected, so you can't add the custom without the phone model. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see these watermarks at the real one. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button so we get quick access to the gallery, and the watermarks at this picture appears here in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. As you can see we have OPPO A53 watermarks, so this is the device one with hard reset, the custom one, and then we have the date and time and also the location. And of course when we don't need these watermarks we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, this one button from the right, slide again to the photo, pick the watermark and use these buttons to turn them off. So now when we take another picture the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.